Hey everyone, welcome back to Data Recovery Advisor. Today I will share some essential methods on how to recover deleted Snapchat memories that seem to have vanished into thin air. So let's not waste any time and jump right in. You can recover your deleted Snapchat memories from the backup. In case you did not create any backup of your existing memories before the deletion, then you will not be able to recover your accidentally deleted memories on your Snapchat account. Now, let's recover your deleted memories on Snapchat. All your favorite snaps are stored on memories, which can be accessed from your account's memories folder. If your Snapchat memories are missing from there, then you can recover your missing or deleted memories from your camera roll folder by following these steps. Open your Snapchat and tap on Memories icon. Now tap on the camera roll and add your deleted memory on Snapchat again. Remember, this process will not work if you have set the Save button's function to Memories. In case you can't find your deleted memories inside the camera roll folder, then you can restore your deleted Snapchat memories by requesting a copy of your data from Snapchat. To do that, follow these steps. Open Snapchat on your phone and tap on the profile icon. Next, select Settings from the top right corner and scroll down until you see My Data. Tap on My Data. Toggle on Include Your Memories, Chat Media and Shared Stories. Now, check all the options if you wish to download all types of data from your Snapchat, or you can leave them unchecked. Then tap on Next. Select the date range from start to finish and confirm your email address. Finally, tap on the Submit button and an email will be sent to the Snapchat. Once your Snapchat data is ready for download, you will receive a download link on your email address from Team Snapchat. Open that email, select the Click Here prompt. It will take you to the Manage Account page. Just tap on the See Export button and select Download to download your Snapchat data in zip format. Next, extract your data from the zip file and open the Memories folder. There you will find all the deleted and missing memories intact. Now, I will show you how you can restore deleted Snapchat memories using Android data recovery software. The one I use for my phone is Stellar Data Recovery for Android. This phone recovery software can restore almost all types of video, photos and other media files. Also, you can get back deleted Snapchat memories using Stellar Data Recovery for iPhone, which is available for both Windows and Mac OS users. It is just as good as its Android version. You can download and install these data recovery tools from their official website. But for the demonstration purposes, I will be using my Samsung M12 phone and I have divided the recovery process into 3 parts. So let's get into it. Stellar Data Recovery for Android. First, download and install the Stellar Data Recovery for Android on your PC and then launch the recovery software. Now select the file type Photos, Videos and Folders and click on Next. After that, connect your phone with a suitable USB cable and select the File Transfer/Android Auto option. Now, follow the instructions to enable USB debugging on your phone. However, this process may vary based on the Android phone manufacturer. To enable USB debugging, select Settings and tap on About Phone. Select Software Information and then tap 7 times on the build number. By doing this, the developer options will appear on your phone screen. Go back to the settings and tap on Developer Options. Now, toggle on USB Debugging and select OK to allow USB debugging. Now, let's recover your deleted memories on Snapchat. Once your phone is connected, click on Scan on your PC screen and wait till the scanning is finished. Double-click on the folder that contains your Snapchat memories from the left panel, and your deleted memories will appear on the PC screen. Select the files you wish to retrieve and click on the Save button. This way, you will be able to save your deleted memories on Snapchat. Now, I will share some useful tricks that can save your Snapchat memories from unwanted deletion. First of all, enable the Smart Backup feature. This will keep a backup of your Snapchat data, which will be useful in recovering your deleted Snapchat memories. Next is to always enable Auto Save My Story snaps on memory settings. This way, your posted snaps will automatically save into your memories section. Last but not least, set your save button's function to memories and camera roll. With this, when you use the save button, it will save a copy of your snap drafts on both the memories and camera roll sections. Well, that's a wrap for today's video. If you find this information helpful, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Data Recovery Advisor and hit the bell icon for regular updates. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy snapping!